The National Weather Service in Oklahoma City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning and tornado watch for Cleveland County, Oklahoma County, McLean County, Canadian County until 5:40 a.m. At 4:30 p.m., a confirmed severe thunderstorm, capable of producing tornadoes, was spotted in west-central Oklahoma moving 33 miles per hour southeast. This could be a potentially dangerous situation. Hazard: potential tornado and heavy rain that can cause flooding. Source: radar confirmed severe thunderstorm. Impact: damage to roofs and trees. Take thunderstorm precautions and stay active for further updates. The National Weather Service in Oklahoma City has issued a tornado warning for Cleveland County, Oklahoma County, McLean County, Canadian County until 7 a.m. At 4:55 p.m., the severe thunderstorm, confirmed to be a supercell, has a confirmed tornado on the ground. This tornado is moving southeast at 124 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Hazard: dangerous tornado. Source: radar confirmed EF6 Tornado. Hazard: damage to houses and buildings. Mobile homes will be destroyed, and possible leveling to neighborhoods. A tornado is on the ground. Take shelter now. The National Weather Service in Oklahoma City has issued a tornado emergency for Cleveland County, Oklahoma County, McLean County, Canadian County, Grady County, Logan County, Kingfisher County, Lincoln County, until 8 a.m. At 5:15 p.m. The previous EF6 tornado has grown into an EF6 tornado and moving southeast 47 miles per hour. Hazard: dangerous tornado and flying debris. Source: radar confirmed EF6 tornado. Impact: neighborhood leveling and complete destruction of buildings. This is a tornado that is causing complete destruction to anything in its path. Take shelter immediately. The National Weather Service in Oklahoma City has issued a tornado emergency for Cleveland County, Oklahoma County, McLean County, and all surrounding counties until 8 a.m. At 5:35 p.m. The EF6 tornado has been observed to have unprecedented capacity with wind speeds up to 400 miles per hour and extreme damage to anything it impacts. Bathrooms now offer zero protection. If you're in a shelter, basement, or cellar, hunker down, as the tornado is reportedly ripping off the doors of shelters and causing injury or death. This is a life-threatening situation. Shelter or evacuate immediately. The National Weather Service in Oklahoma City has issued an emergency update. Meteorologists observing this tornado has calculated it to be 4 miles wide and moving southeast at 70 miles per hour. Weather specialists are debating if this tornado should even be classified as an EF5 and elevate the scale to an EAS6 tornado. Do not try to outrun this tornado, it will catch you and you will not survive. Everything near the tornado is leveled. To those in cars, get to a shelter or cellar immediately. To those in shelters and basements, hold on to an anchored item inside. God be with you all. The Emergency Management Agency has issued an all clear for all counties in Oklahoma. The tornado has caused beyond major damage to its path and everything has been leveled. This is an all clear for the tornado, not other hazards. If you choose to exit a shelter, be careful of downed power lines, debris, or ground spouring. This has taken a heavy toll on us all, and we all need time to heal. God be with us all in these trying times.